And one thing that shocked me the most in my food log was the banana. I didn't think I was actually eating bananas in 2013, 2014, especially when I was paleo. I've probably eaten two since going keto, which was July 6, 2014. And both of those were on a treat day. And there's just so many better things that you can eat. So most people say they're doing it for the potassium or it's low fat or whatever, but there's a whole bunch of things that are much, much better for you, and you should be eating instead of a freaking banana. And if you do live in Ohio, where I live, unless you're getting your bananas from a specialty farmer, then it ain't local. Okay, it's flown in from Chile, Argentina. I don't even think they come in from California or Florida. But yeah, always try to eat local as much as you possibly can, and eat seasonally as much as you can. Eating a banana in February, which it is now, snow on the ground, not too smart. Okay, the banana grew in a certain temperature with a really high UV, and the UV here is 2 and never gets over 2, and probably won't until middle of March. So basically, you eat light, and if you're eating the wrong types of light, that's going to affect your mitochondria. It's going to cause a circadian disruption. It's going to cause inflammation, and things are going to start to go haywire. Okay, so my mitochondria is feeling the cold, feeling that, and you put a banana in, it's like, what the hell is this? Okay, doesn't know what to do. So it starts to break down, create more reactive oxygen species, more free radicals, and then a cascade of cell chaos, which I believe is episode 2. I went over that. So the other things I would not eat anymore